All right, y'all, we made it to the steps. Got K64 heading south. We're gonna grab them here and call it even. $40 WIMX today, and then 19 freight. Nothing really crazy for freight except for these Twin Cities and Western cars y'all about to see. And a couple of SHPX cars. You got Greenbrier, some Twin Cities and Western. Never can go wrong with these bad boys. That's an XPLCX car. Here's these SHPX cars. Get your central Soya bungee cut, and here's the end. K64, the steps, Tasker, in some rain. That's going to be it for me today, boys. We're going to go grab lunch and go home.